like this place. And first time we are associated with one group, Let's Go Gurgaon. So we usually come here with our friends and all the people, those who come for walk. And we treks in the Ravlis also. So that's why we all really love this place.
We find this is a nature-friendly place, so I think this is the
And
best
there
place
is
to
no
come in Gurgaon.
walls, brick walls. It's all just covered by like
Eco-friendly,
simply
natural
eco-friendly and natural. That's really beautiful.
We come here and
Open air.
celebrate our little moments here.
Anyone, it is
Exactly.
beautiful. Even for the
Exactly.
kids, for the youngsters, for the elders, it's really amazing place because we see all the places like all around walls and everything. It's all there even in our house, but there's something open air and flowers and trees around that makes it very beautiful.
Yeah, they already said so many things about this park. It's really nice to have fun in the nature.
Explore more species of butterfly, but we didn't get any type of butterfly. Just
only one type of butterfly.
yes.
Their standard, as per Chandigarh standard, they should look how Rose Garden is maintained there, Rock Garden or Sukhna Lake. So expectations should be set right.
She told us,
Okay.
so that's why we come here. Yeah, he enjoyed very much here because she comes from Bangalore and Pune, I think.
Okay.
So she is here first time in Gurgaon. So he come here to visit the place.
About it from someone, and then we searched about it on internet. Then we thought we should visit it here once, and that's why we came here. That's all.
How many butterflies did you see?
10 to 15.
Do you know the names of these butterflies?
We found only tiger butterfly here, not any else.
Okay. Is there something from you also? What made you bring the family here?
Have you had a good day?
Yeah, pretty
जैसा
nice.
सोचा था वैसा मिला नहीं है। नेट पे तो बहुत कुछ दिखा रखा है।
Hi, I'm Dipali. I just started volunteering at Thousand Shades Butterfly Park, and I have been looking for places in Gurgaon where I can be closer to nature and the environment, and where I can give my bit to the environment. And Uthan was this place which had a lot of warmth and heart in it, and which was very welcoming. And when I talked to the Sir Sanjay Kaushik, the way he treats all the volunteers and the way the work is going in Uthan is what made me join Uthan. And till now my experience has been very nice, and to me the Butterfly Park is like another home away from my own home, and I welcome all the people who are watching the video to experience this world of colors in the cyber city of Gurgaon. Thank you.
Sit here. It gives a very positive feeling and nice homely food and this recycled thing. I don't believe in wastage at all. So very positive and nice feeling. I just came for a meeting here at this time.
No, actually I'm here for a meeting. I'm here for the first time. I don't know about this.
Okay. What is this?
I'm here for third time actually. I love this place. Very good ambience, very good food. Everything is excellent.
You have seen outside everything they are using all the waste. Otherwise, environment protection what we need today, it is being provided by this facility.
Came to know through Facebook itself, where we saw few of them had visited this, and with kids, with my daughter, I wanted to bring her here close to nature, so it's good that they get to explore. She was very happy with seeing the rabbits and the swan. That's something that she enjoyed. So we've come once more, so this is the second time today it was her off, so I thought I'll come.
My view was basically I got to know about this place online, and I read that this was being managed by National Geographic, and something like like a butterfly park in a place like Gurgaon, it seemed very unlikely to me. And what's more unlikely was that it's like just 10 minutes away from my house. So I was like, I have to check this out, and so that's why like I got my family here, and the first visit we thoroughly enjoyed, and the kids also enjoyed, and this time again we've managed to take out time and especially come here to visit this place.
First time here. Okay. Saw the pics on online. It was looking very good there. But when we came, the area is very restricted for visiting for the kids. Rest of the part is like just like forest. So we want that should be extended. Fascination for the kids. Something like butterflies, and butterfly chamber is also closed. We saw nothing excluding these rabbits and guinea pigs and ducks. That's it.
For the children, but it requires some maintenance. The roads are not much maintained, and there should be more greenery. That is my opinion.
More trees?
More trees, more flowers, and there should be some entertaining equipment for the children. There should be swings and other, so that the children can sit and enjoy there. That's all. Because it is a butterfly park, there should be live butterflies in very large quantity for the children to entertain.
Hi. I got to know about this park from the board outside. We were just passing by one day and we read Butterfly Park. I wanted to see. I'm a very much nature person, and butterflies is something I love, and I'm a crazy butterfly fan. So I really wanted to check out this place and see what it is like. It's quite well made. I see a lot of flowers. We saw a lot of peacocks. I would like to see more of different kinds of butterflies. We saw only one kind of butterfly today, but I would like to see more. And I think it's a very well-lit place. A lot can be done here. I feel there is a scope for a lot of improvement. We have a very good place. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Thanks.
Actually, we heard about it from our friends, and we live nearby since last 3-4 years, and we were not knowing about the place. Maybe a little more promotions would help the place grow better with more visitors coming in. Plus, the entry I feel could be better, because even when you pass by, you don't come to know that there is such a place here, and it's beautiful when you come inside. It's beautiful. The flowers, the way it has been made, the animals and all. It's good for children. Plus, in a good weather, it's a nice place to come out.
The hustle bustle of the city, in between you have such a nice place here with so many plants and so much greenery, and yes, kids are enjoying so much. It's beautiful. It's a good concept, I think. It should be there more than this. We should open more places like this. You are the one associated with this. I would suggest you to open more places like this. And more good everybody. Greenery attracts everybody.
अभी ब्लैक चिकन और उनके
have such places near your house for kids, so that you can once in a while or once in a month at least, you can take them out to such natural places where they can feel the fresh air, the greenery, and just be around the nature.
This is one of the most important aspects which we are doing today. I think we are starting with pond, basically creating moisture and water body for butterfly as well as for glowworm. And luckily we have got Mrs. Sharma and Manish Saab there. And I think Manish Saab will explain in a better way about pond and all these things. Sir.
So कौशिक साहब ने एक बहुत ही अच्छी जगह बनाई है जो तितली पार्क उन्होंने डेवलप किया है अपने एफर्ट से। उसी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए तो हम लोग एक बटरफ्लाई पॉन्ड क्रिएट कर रहे हैं। ये हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि बिना सिविल वर्क के जितना नेचुरल हो सके उतना बना सके। और जैसा हम बोलते हैं कि किसी भी पार्क के लिए पानी का एलिमेंट होना ज़रूरी है, तो पानी का एलिमेंट होने से एडवांटेजेस ये है कि इट इम्प्रूव द बायोडाइवर्सिटी ऑफ द एरिया। तो फूल भी ज़्यादा खिलेंगे और प्लांट्स की एक नेचुरल ग्रोथ भी बहुत अच्छी होगी और पार्क भी कंप्लीट होगा। तो हमारा प्रयास यही होगा कि सबके साथ मिल कर के एक बटरफ्लाई पॉन्ड क्रिएट किया जाए, जो जितना नेचुरल तरीके से हो सके हम क्रिएट करेंगे। वी विल क्रिएट नेचुरल फिल्ट्रेशन सिस्टम ऑल्सो। वी विल बी यूजिंग सीवेज वाटर, रिसाइकिल करेंगे। एंड प्रयास यही रहेगा कि एक अपने में उदाहरण पूरे एरिया के लिए बने।